welcome back to my channel. It feels so weird to sit in front of this camera right now because I haven't filmed an actual sit down video in a hot minute. But today I am bringing you my best of beauty from 2020. I thought about not even doing this video anymore because I didn't wear that much makeup last year. Even though it's not much what I have to show you, I feel like it's really good stuff. Of course, some of these items I have talked and raved about before, so I'm not gonna stay too long on those, but I do have a few new favorites. So the first product I'm gonna be talking about is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Water Gel Sunscreen. So this is great because you can wear it under makeup, you can wear it by itself, and it's a sunscreen. You're protecting your face from UV rays in the sun and everything. So I discovered it back in summer and I absolutely fell in love with it. It is so hydrating. It feels so high-end without the high-end price. I believe it was $20, so it is kind of pricey for a drugstore product, but it's not $40 to $50, which I think would be worth from Sephora. So I can kind of compare it to the Tatcha water cream, but it feels so much more luxurious. You have no idea how much I love this product. Let me start putting this on. I'm starting to step away from fragrance, from stuff that immediately touch my face, but it just melts into your skin. It hydrates it and it makes it look so glowy and so healthy. I loved, during summertime, I loved wearing this on its own. This was my favorite find of the summertime, and what I loved about it the most was that I could wear it under makeup. I do let it sit on my skin for about a minute or two before I do go in with my concealer. So while the moisturizing sunscreen is doing its magic on my face, I'm gonna get started on my eyebrows, and I'm not gonna stay too long on this one. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. This is all I used all year, with the addition of one more product, but I will get into that in a little bit. So let me just fast forward you through my eyebrows and I will get into the next product. One thing I will say, I think it was one of the Vlogmas days, I forgot to spoolie my eyebrows, you guys. They looked so harsh. Don't forget to blend your eyebrows, please. I was looking back at the footage and I'm like, why? I do want to finish this shade off and get a different shade, a lighter shade, because my hair is warmer than it was with my ashy blonde hair. I don't know, it just looks a little bit too dark. I had noticed it, but I didn't think it was that noticeable. But the one that pointed it out to me and I was like, okay, I gotta do something about it, is my sister Eileen. She was like, girl, you need a lighter shade for your eyebrows. And I was like, right? I thought, but I just thought I was crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this pencil off and then I'm gonna probably order a lighter, warmer shade. Obviously, I am obsessed with the clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. That is a favorite. Used it for years. It's been a favorite of mine for years. But I purchased this one a while back and I started using it about 4 months ago to set my eyebrows and to give them a little bit more definition. So this is the Hourglass Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. So it has a very interesting shape to it. It has these like spiky longer side and it has a shorter side. I go with the longer side and I kind of make hair-like strokes at the front, and then I go into the rest of my eyebrows. So that day I had that brow pencil and I had this on top of it. My eyebrows looked crazy. This year I did not wear that much concealer, but if I was wearing a foundation, it was most likely the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. I have been loving this foundation for almost 2 years now, I believe, and I have repurchased it twice. It is that good. It looks so good on your skin. It's just, you can't go wrong with this one, especially if you have oily combination skin. It doesn't cling on to dry spots and it doesn't make you oily, which I hate. Probably for like the last 4 months of the year, I strictly wore concealer. And yes, I have 3 different shades right here. Oh no, 2 shades are the same and 1 is different. Sometimes I feel like medium tan neutral looks better on me, but then sometimes I feel like tan sand looks better on me. I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. This has been in my Best of Beauty for years, okay? I want to venture out and try new things, but every time I do, I just keep coming back to this. I hear that the Rare Beauty concealer is such a good one and it compares to this one, so I'm definitely curious about that one. You guys let me know if you've used it and what do you think about it, because I have like a full like a little drawer that houses my concealers, and I'm looking at it right now and it's like none of them tickle my pickle, you know what I mean? What? So yeah, this is all I've been doing all 2020 is concealer. Well, mostly. So another Best of Beauty for 2020, a discovery that I also made during summer. So we took a week-long trip, a road trip, okay? A socially distanced road trip all over Texas, and it was so much fun. But I stopped at Target because it was like an impromptu road trip and I didn't get to pack any of my essentials, which was a good thing because it made me go to Target and get all this new drugstore makeup. I completely unboxed it for you guys in my road trip video. I will link that in the eye and also in the description if you guys are interested in watching my first impressions of these products. That's weird, that's suspicious. I've always heard lots of people raving about this sponge. I have my thoughts on it, but it made it to my Best of Beauty for 2020 because this is the only sponge I reached for ever since summer. This is the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Moving on to powder, this has been my go-to. This is the only powder I used all year. This one has so much product, you guys, which I love. I'm obsessed with. Like, I have used it so many times and it is still full. Now, bronzer, been my favorite. This is the only bronzer I used all year, except for that summer road trip one. That one was a hot mess. Bronzer by Fenty Beauty. This is the Sunstalker. I am almost at pan again. I believe this bronzer was a new favorite of mine last year. You guys, I can't get enough of it. This never happens to me anymore, but I am having dry patches right here and on my chin and on this side, but not this side. I know what happened. I know exactly what happened. Washed my face, got out of the shower, got distracted, and I didn't finish my skincare routine. No wonder my skin was so thirsty this morning. So we're gonna have to fix that. So now that I am done with my face, to fix this dry patches, I didn't even know this was gonna take this type of turn, obviously. I have been loving the MAC Fix Plus again. And then I go in with my beauty blender. Typically I do this after hours of wearing my makeup, but I obviously need it right now. It literally smooths out your face. Look at that, it's gone. Gone. Any dryness, gone. I am obsessed with the Fix Plus all over again. I almost forgot to include this in my Best of Beauty for 2020, especially after hours of wearing my makeup. If I need a refresh and I have another video to film, this is like magic, and that took literally 0 effort. This is an amazing product. I don't know why I stopped using it. Well, I stopped filming, so that's probably why. So, oh my god, did you guys watch my makeup declutter and organization? I am obsessed with my new setup here. I have everything I need in these drawers, and I don't have to get up to go find something. Anyway, I just opened that and it made me so happy. So I have been using these blush trios by Anastasia Beverly Hills. They're fairly similar. Which one did I use winter? I think it was this one. This one's called Pink Passion, and my favorite two out of this one is these two. This one right here is Sugar, and this one right here is Rose. I think Rose is my absolute favorite. Such a pretty flush of color, especially for winter. You don't want it to be too cool tone or too warm. This is like so good right in between. And I don't think I've ever talked about these blush trios. They are so good. I didn't think I would like them as much as I do. For 2020, I didn't wear that much highlight, but my go-to was always the KK Beauty Tempting highlighter. Phenomenal. It's so soft. I've been describing all of these products as like so soft, so smooth, but it truly is. Like if it's not soft and smooth, I don't want it. For my nose, I just go in with my finger, you load it up, and I put the tiniest bit on my nose. Probably should have done this and then the Fix Plus. I sound so nasally today. Am I getting sick? No, not again. But yeah, it's just a little bit of glow. I always do my Cupid's bow. I think this is so pretty. My inner corner, I obviously couldn't find my little brush that I do this with. Like it's just the right amount of glow. This for bridal makeup would be so stunning. Like don't sleep on this product. For mascara, this was a TikTok wreck. This is the Maybelline The Lashes Lash Lift in waterproof. I want to try the one that's not waterproof because I have always despised waterproof mascara. It being waterproof ensures you having long lifted lashes all day long. This is also a brand new find from Walmart. I love this little thing so much. I don't know, it was like a couple bucks. This is from Equate. This is the lash curler. I even think I like it better than my Charlotte Tilbury one. Like the Charlotte Tilbury one is obviously so beautiful, so pretty. Even though they look very similar, I don't think the shape of it goes with my eye shape, and this one does. And the Charlotte Tilbury one, I would have a hard time getting all of my lashes in there. That's how I figured. It probably wasn't for my eye shape. And look at that, that is one coat. I hope you guys can see. That is one coat of mascara. And I'm gonna leave them alone. I'm gonna dip again and go to the other side. I have been obsessed with not wearing mascara because at the end of the day, I don't have to worry about removing it. But when I do wear mascara, I'm like, whoa, who is she? Like it completely transforms the look, you know? But I do like the softer everyday look. I always get compliments on my lashes, my natural lashes and how long they are, but I've never gotten this many compliments on my lashes when I wear this mascara. Like I'm done trying all these high-end $50 mascaras. Like Maybelline knows what's up. Two coats, and I could keep going, but I'm not going to. My last two products that I have to show you for this video are my lip masks. I didn't wear lipstick this year. If I did, it was over the holidays. In the times we're living in right now, there's no point to wear lipstick except to just feel pretty at home. So to go out, I would basically just have lip mask on. The first lip mask is by Laneige. A lot of people hate on this product, but I really like it. A lot of people say that it does nothing for your lips ever since the colder weather started. It has cured George and I's cracking lips and like dry lips. I remember recently George like was having a really rough time with his lips, and I was like, hey, like let me try this lip mask on you. He's like, no, like it's fine, it'll go away. But like I could tell that he was like, oof, and like you could visibly see it. So then I put this on one night. I was like, just let me see your lips. And then I put it on him. The next day he wasn't complaining anymore. Like it literally worked this magic overnight. So this is the first one. This is very like comfortable. I put it on, I don't have to worry about it. Tatcha one is my favorite purely because it is so shiny, and this is like a gel consistency. It's totally different. The Laneige one is more of a wax, which is I think what people have a problem with. Tatcha one, look at it, look at it. Look at how shiny that is compared to the other one. It is sticky though, like in the thing, but once you put it on your lips, it is not sticky. And I don't like wearing this under my face masks because it just rubs all over. And this one doesn't. This one, I can sleep with it on and it'll still be on in the morning. Like it's really good. These are the two lip masks I absolutely love. Do you need both? Absolutely not. Do you need any of them? No. So this is my finished makeup look. This is basically what I look like all year if I was wearing any makeup. Most of the year I did not wear makeup, to be quite honest. These are my essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Leave me some suggestions for this 100-day challenge that I'm on. I do have so many video ideas. My sister Amalia and I sat down on New Year's Eve to write down so many video ideas, and she gave me so many good ones. I'm so excited to film them for you guys. How did you guys like the silent vlog? Oh my god, I had so much fun filming and editing that. George completely directed it. It was quite emotional actually filming and editing it. But yeah, I'm back, you guys, and I am better than ever. And this year I am not going to let anything stop me. Anything. So that's why I felt like I had to do something super extreme to get me back into the grind. So, and I'm so excited. I'm a busy bee. I need to be busy all the time. But enough rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching my Best of Beauty for 2020. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Feels like Vlogmas all over again.